start your engines because Sonic Racing Crossworlds is drifting onto your screen soon, and Sega's not making you wait that long to hit the track. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your hub of the latest tech and gaming news. A brand new free demo is speeding your way on September 17th, giving fans a chance to test drive the chaos before launch, which would be on September 25. But before you dust off your controller, here's the catch. The demo will only be available on PS5, Xbox Series X, S, Steam, Epic Games Store, and Nintendo Switch. Sadly, PS4, Xbox One, and the much-rumored Switch 2 are sitting this one out, at least for now. Sega's keeping tight-lipped about what's actually in the demo, but considering the game's insane crossover lineup, there's a lot to be excited about. We're talking Sonic Minecraft mobs, Pac-Man, SpongeBob, and because why not characters from Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, Mutant Mayhem, and Avatar: The Last Airbender coming in with the season pass. If you're already sold, pre-orders for the $69.99 standard edition and the $89.99 digital deluxe edition are live now. Why deluxe? Because they'll get bonus content, including the Sonic Prime Character Pack and full Season Pass access. Pre-ordering either edition will unlock the feral and furry Werehog with his wild ride, the Beast Spike, plus a custom Werehog decal to flex on the track. So whether you're in it for the speed, the nostalgia, or the fact that you can race SpongeBob against Aang in a kart game, Sonic Racing Crossworlds is shaping up to be the multiverse meltdown we didn't know we needed. Tell us in the comments that we're not the only ones excited about this game. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.